10 stretching exercises for the workplace. Neck rolls. Slowly roll your head in a circular motion to release tension in your neck. Shoulder shrugs and rolls. Lift shoulders up toward ears, then roll them back and down to ease tightness. Arm and wrist stretch. Extend one arm forward, palm up, and gently pull back fingers with the other hand. Standing side stretch. Stand tall, raise one arm overhead, and lean to the opposite side. Torso twists. Sit upright. Place hands on your chair's armrest and gently twist your torso side to side. Hamstring stretch. While seated, extend one leg forward with heel on the floor and lean slightly forward. Quad stretch. Stand, hold one ankle behind you, and gently pull toward your glutes. Calf stretch. Place hands on a wall, step one foot back, and press heel into the floor. Seated figure 4 stretch. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee while seated, lean forward gently. Full body reach. Stand, interlace fingers, stretch arms overhead, and reach upward for a full body release. Sources. Why stretching at work matters. Boosts circulation and reduces muscle fatigue. Prevents repetitive strain injuries from long hours at a desk. Improves posture and reduces back, neck, and shoulder pain. Enhances focus and energy, helping you stay productive. Subscribe, like, and share for more videos.